Here, please take your seat. Just remind us once again your good name.
Sudhanshu Mohan Swami.
Sudhanshu. Right here. Sudhanshu. Right here.
Second.
It is more. Yes, sir.
Tell us something.
Geology,
Sudhanshu.
geography, sociology.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, I am Sudhanshu Mohan Swami. I belong to Cuttack district. I graduated my BTech from Krupajal Engineering College, Bhubaneswar. Thereafter, I joined POSCO Maharashtra Steel, and along with my job, I started preparation. Later on, I moved to Tata BlueScope Steel in Adityapur. It is my second attempt in a PSC, and second interview I did. Sociology and geography are my marks.
What was the performance in the interview last time, Sudhanshu?
Sir, it was moderate.
How much was it?
I scored 165.
It's more than average. Good. So, your subjects are?
Sociology and geography.
Okay. You know, the recent Gulab, the damage to our state, Orissa state,
Yes,
has been roughly assessed by our state, I suppose.
sir.
Kitata damage even our Sarkarta with the recent Gulab Batyari. Can you say to which order, what is the amount of damage roughly I mean calculate Karcham Sarkarta? It was there in the papers.
Sir, as I remember, it is around 1,400 crores.
1,400?
Yes, sir.
What is the kind of damage it was reported?
So I don't know.
How you got this figure 1,004?
Sir, somehow it is coming to my mind that it was 1,400.
Have you read any newspaper or any blog posting or anything?
Yes, sir. I have read, but the exact figure.
English paper padtile na Odia paper?
Odia.
Odia?
Yes.
I thought it was to the tune of 90 plus 90,000 plus.
Sorry, sir. I am unable to recall the exact figure.
Anyway, so there is a dispute, water dispute between us and Andhra.
Yes, sir.
And the Water Tribunal, the Dispute Tribunal gave the award in favor of Andhra regarding a barrage.
Yes, sir.
What is this river and what our government has done about it?
Sir, it is on the Polavaram river, and our government has advocated for an interstate water dispute tribunal, and the matter should be decided by that tribunal.
That is good, but I am talking about another barrage in another river where the tribunal has already given the award in favor of Andhra. If they said yes, you can go ahead and build the barrage, and the Orissa government should give some 100 acres or so for them to help them, etc. And the award, the tribunal has given the award in favor of Andhra state, and our government has gone to the Supreme Court. It will come up for hearing in November. What is this river? Any idea?
No, sir.
Don't worry, sir.
What is your native place?
Cuttack.
Native place, you were born and brought up in Cuttack?
I was born in Dharmasala, but from my childhood I was brought up in Cuttack.
What is the address that you given Raigad?
Sir, in Raigad, POSCO Maharashtra Steel was there. I was staying there.
You were staying there for
Yes.
some time.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you have passed out from the Ravenshaw Collegiate School.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell something about this, how the Ravenshaw Collegiate School figures for some of the very renowned freedom fighters that it has brought to Orissa, and that how the glory of this school goes with the name of that person?
Yes, sir. Sir, Ravenshaw Collegiate School was established as first high school of Odisha in the year of 1851 by Magistrate T.E. Ravensa, Thomas Edward Ravensa. As there at that time nationalist fervor was there, so many of the students who were brilliant, had very good academic career in Ravensa Collegiate School, moved on for national struggle in different phases. Some of them are Subhash Chandra Bose is the most prominent one, then Madhusudan Das, then Gauri Shankar Das, then one more name that a few days before just I came to know, it was Kartar Singh Sarawa. He just studied here for 1 year. He enrolled here for in class 7, and in class 8 he left his studies at all and he joined extremist movements. So as of now I can remember these names who have contributed at a large to our freedom struggle.
Why Subhash Chandra Bose is remembered so much?
Sir, before arrival of Subhash Chandra Bose, India's freedom struggle was centered around Mahatma Gandhi and his philosophy of Ahimsa. But Subhash Chandra Bose came as a fresh air in the field of Indian National Congress as well as in the freedom struggle. His opinion that India should have an armed rebellion against the British could attract many youths, and he formed Azad Hind Fauj or Free India region, and from Singapore he moved towards India with gradually.
Okay. You are a student of electrical engineering. Then what is calligraphy?
Sir, calligraphy is an art form of writing letters in a beautiful manner.
Is there any specific in designing the letters?
Yes, sir. Calligraphy.
You can write beautifully in many ways.
Yes,
What
sir.
is that calligraphy's specialty?
It is, in my opinion, it is a mixture of artistic form and normal writing, which gives an additional attractiveness to our writing.
Are you doing that? Following calligraphy? Practicing that?
Yes, sir. During OPSC preparation, I had left writing Odia for many days, so my handwriting was gone to hell. So I started taking up calligraphy, and I found that it helped me improving somewhat my handwriting, and it stayed as a hobby with me.
I see. So you were talking about the Pulavaram. Can you tell what is the river? Name of the river?
No, sir. I just can remember that it is a tributary of Godavari.
But how it is affecting Odisha?
Sir,
Odisha is in the dispute with this Pulavaram project. It is inside Andhra.
yes, sir.
So there is nothing to bother from this part of Odisha. But why it is?
Sir, actually, in order to increase the capacity of the dam, government of Andhra wants to increase the height. As the height will increase, the catchment area will widen, and the river channel will be get affected. As a result of which, people who are living in Odisha, their villages may submerge into the new catchment area of the river.
So some of our Odisha villages are likely to be affected.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what is the concern for Odisha. What is the kind of debate, dispute with Chhattisgarh on Mahanadi River?
Sir, in order to support this rapid urbanization and industrialization, Chhattisgarh government has erected many number of dams in the reverse course of Mahanadi. As a result of which, the net discharge water quantity in Odisha has declined drastically. So as we know that Mahanadi is the lifeline of Odisha, and many agrarian societies are based upon the water available with Mahanadi. So it is a huge concern for Odisha, especially the farmer community.
So that is the concern.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of POSCO?
Sir, it is Pohang Steel and Iron Company.
It was planning to have a plant at Odisha.
Yes, sir.
What was that plan for, and then why it was not possible to be located in Odisha? What has happened with the fate of that?
So in the year 2005, POSCO Korea and the government of Odisha signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, to invest 52,000 crore rupees in steel manufacturing, establishing one integrated steel plant, which was the largest ever FDI in India, single FDI in India. But the problem started when the localites were not allowed, the localites did not allow the company to acquire the land that it wanted to. Slowly the matter escalated and it became a land dispute. Finally, in the year of 2015, National Green Tribunal verdicted that the POSCO plant will be detrimental for the ecological development of the area. Hence, it was said that it was in the midway, and finally the company pulled out from the project, and the project came to an end.
Has it not passed through the Green Tribunal
No, sir.
before the conception of the project?
Sir, later on it was.
Because whenever a project is proposed,
Yes, sir.
there is always an environmental audit.
Yes, sir.
Environmental impact assessment report goes along with the project proposal.
Yes, sir.
And then how it has proved that yes, it is possible, and then the Green Tribunal says it is not possible? How things of conflict in between?
Sir, initially the problem was with land displacement and acquisition, but the concerned parties could prove their point in the before the National Green Tribunal that along with the displacement, it is detrimental to the environment as well. Hence, NGT had a verdict for the.
What is an environmental problem? What was the kind of environmental problem it have brought to this stage?
Sir, POSCO plant was established near the mouth of Jatadhari river. So huge industrialized influx would have been discharged into that the catchment area. The estuary is present in near the Jatadhari area and especially in the Pujam area. Secondly, due to industrialization process, the indigenous plant upon which farmers depend upon, the betel nut plants, would have been destroyed in a large scale. So I think these two were the major environmental concerns which were put before the National Green Tribunal.
What is your opinion? Is it right? Will not develop? Anything that we do will be going to create an environmental impact, and where to make a compromise?
Sir, as the matter is sub judice, my comments should be restricted here. And but in my opinion, there should be a middle path, because POSCO is one of the greenest producer of steel. They have ultra modern technology. So if government could have enforced that we will give you some extra exemptions and facilities if you bring in your latest technology which are environment friendly and production friendly at the same time, then I think we could have proceeded a bit better.
Okay, sir.
As you are ordering the POSCO, there is a POSCO Act
Yes, sir.
2020.
Yes, sir.
What is that POSCO Act?
Sir, that POSCO Act stands for Prevention of Crimes and Sexual Offences. Prevention of children sexual offences.
Prevention of children from sexual offences.
Yeah.
Sir, कौन टिके से आप विषय टिके हेल्प
Sir, POSCO Act tries to bring in specific legislation against those heinous crimes, against sexual exploitations and related crimes against people of 16 years and below. So it has some specific provisions such as the police station which receives the FIR would start investigation in immediate basis, and the trial during the trial the children will not be subjected to face-to-face investigation or questioning by the judges. And thirdly, that the district magistrate will take prompt action to expedite the cases in fast track boards.
What is what are the border issues with China?
Sir, the Chinese administration is now being labeled as hegemonious. It is trying to expedite its motives unilaterally. It does not care about bilateral relation between the states. And as we have seen in the South China Sea, it has unilaterally declared itself as the sole claimant of the Zhou. Along with that, it has it was showing aggressiveness in only business till date. But after the Galwan Valley incident, the eye of the world is open now. It is also trying to expand its territorial acclaims across the world. It has 13 land disputes along its borders. So China's stand is little bit of dubious right now.
As you are having sociology and geography, your options.
Yes, sir.
What is a special category state?
The special category states are those states which are exempted from certain taxes and provided more number of monetary benefits from the central government through devaluation method. This much I can remember now.
What is GST?
Sir, GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It was envisioned as one nation, one tax regime. It has replaced multiple number of pre-existing state level taxes and brought in one tax platform where CGST and SGST are collected.
Only.
Along with some levies that exist or some cesses are also there, but they are not the part of GST system.
What is IGST?
Sir, it is integrated goods and services tax.
What is its function? When state GST, central GST is there, why IGST?
Sir, IGST does not represent any direct, any kind of tax, but rather it is an integrated system which evaluates CGST and SGST.
पॉइंट ठीक है मतलब ठीक लगला तो देखी दो What is Saubhagya scheme initiated by government?
Saubhagya scheme, sir, I am unable to remember.
Any Sudhanshu regarding electrical transport, any initiative recently taken by our government? Some news was there
Yes.
today or yesterday. What is that?
Government of India is expediting FAME 2.0, which promotes electrical mobility in our country.
Good. Say Digare, is there any concrete step being taken or on the anvil in Bhubaneswar itself? Our city there? Pepper Skilla?
Sir,
Charging stations?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Koti. Katata charging, how many charging stations will be there in Bhubaneswar?
Unable to remember, sir.
No, recently I PPP mode, I think they are floating tender, but they are karibe. The point is, policy level now things are moving on the ground
Yes, sir.
and concrete proposals, and yes, the concerned secretary saying yes, we are going to float tender, PPP mode, Prathame, there will be 5 electrical charging stations, Koti above, but this is Mankalchandi, but see here picture created. The point is stick up to date. Okay, when is your interview?
1st of October.
1st of October. And being a student of this, just one more I'm tempted to ask you. Sociology, yes, 70 years of independence, still we are talking about census, there is a controversy going on whether we should take census of backward classes. then there is a tug of war going on. And then government of India submitting in the Supreme Court, not possible. What do you think of this as a sociologist? On the one hand, we are talking about globalization, artificial going to Mars, a lot of things. And still, is it not a regressive step to talk about what are the costs, sub-costs, what are the numbers? How do you see this?
Sir, India is a synergy of multiple caste and class. So, but we have only one government which formulates policy. So, in my opinion, the advantage of caste-based census will be that those reservations or special arrangements that we arrange for the people from lower caste.
But Sudhanshu, how long? This will go on forever.
Sir, I think there is some caste differentiations in India, and the Indian society
But
has not.
are we not reinforcing? One breath say caste should be removed, we should raise up, transcend the caste, creed, and all those things.
Yes, sir.
And on the other hand, all our actions seem to be to reinforce those very ideas. Every step seems to be co-caste sub-caste Is it not a contradiction? Is it not an irony, Sudhanshu, being a scholar of sociology?
Sir, caste census only shows that if the government plans or programs has reached the particular targeted groups or not. So I don't think it is some ideological imposition, rather it is a mirror of our position, whether we are doing good for the...
Thank you, Sudhanshu. I think you have done very well this time. Very beautiful words you are using. Synergy, fresh idea from Netaji. Good. We want it because we want.
गोटे जिनस सर से को कहला हमर गोटे गवर्नमेंट अछि गोटे गवर्नमेंट वी हैव वन गवर्नमेंट
Say the another word is my handwriting has gone to hell. So on the one hand, beautiful words like synergy, fresh air, Netaji brought contrast to Gandhi. How beautiful, that was very good.
Outside of Odisha, therefore my handwriting went hell. I may go outside, but I cannot forget my motherland.
Negative में था कहीं गए हो? Why do you say the negative things?
Deteriorated कोई तो
No, my handwriting was not up to the mark.
Okay.
So I tried to
Improve it.
Otherwise, the language.
I was not in touch with the letters.
Language was very vibrant, very good synergy, fresh air. But words like hell, to hell with it. Colloquial is fine. But in the formal occasion, try. I don't know, once it came, the board may ignore it, but better avoid it. And
Calligraphy, don't bring it to you as a subject.
Okay.
Calligraphy is your hobby,
Yes, sir.
but for you, you are experimenting there, no?
Yes, sir. Understand.
so what is your feeling? How you have done well?
Yes, sir, I have done well. But in some places, I think that I could have done better. Like
Like what?
I made some grammatical mistakes.
What is the grammar? No, this is not a test of grammar. Go to grammar.
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦଉଥିଲି ତ ଦି ତିନିଟା ବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଦିଥର ରିପିଟ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା.
That's all.
That is not.
I think you have done very well. Well, any questions from your side you would like to ask?
ସୌଭାଗ୍ୟ ସ୍କିମ୍ କହିପାରିଲନି.
Yes. Sir, actually ସେଇଟା ମୋର ମନେ ପଡୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କଲେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ମାର୍କ୍ସ ଆସୁଛି.
ବ୍ଲକ୍ କରିବ. ଠିକ କଥା କହିଲ. Unable to means you showed your innocence. I don't know. It's the simplest answer.
ठीक है चाहिए बाबा.
Very nice.
Very well from 165 you should easily cross over the
230, 250, 230.
And very answer to that.
Our expectation never.
Fresh.
220, 120, 30.
Okay. Any question from your side?
Sir, question ଯେ ମାନେ କେତେ ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅନ୍ ଜବ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ମାର୍କ କମ୍ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
See, ये सब कुछ don't listen to all this. I'm sorry, I would have used a very bad. It doesn't make sense. Don't listen to all this. Don't allow yourself to be distracted. It is your personality, and in our honest opinion, it's you're a brilliant personality. Okay. One or two questions you may not be able to answer. Many of us were not, when we were in your position, we were not able to. That did not prevent us from
China, India, correlate Korea, Pakistan, India, China, India,
Right.
Bangladesh, India.
Right. Sir, I thought that you were asking only about China's global presence.
No,
Therefore,
question was, what is the border dispute between China and India? You took me to meet the South China Sea.
Yes, sir.
The entire history koisala pore you are concluding with 2 lines on the border.
Right.
Focus is border dispute. Border dispute with China means from east to west.
Yes, sir.
Pura entire place to Nabo.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem with Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is in Sikkim? What is in
Balwan, Ladakh.
what is in Uttarakhand?
Right, sir.
Then you go to Balwan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then because you are a geography, optional is geography.
Yes, sir.
It's a current affair. Sange you have an advantage to bring geography with current affairs. Pura 100%.
Because you are so excellent. So this is a beautiful question, which you should have. Doesn't matter.
फुल बोल्टा दिया है
Right.
एकदम बढ़िया बोल्टा पोका है हिट कोई
Kalle Madhyu, because when I asked about cost, you began when you said synergy, I was elated. That the answer I got in that one word. Similarly, also the China, it is a very burning topic. You will do that. You will do that. Okay. So you will get a video. You work on this area. You will do. You will make it this time. Sudhanshu, all the best. God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.